Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up pollers for fast data transformations, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up pollers for fast data transformations, start by ensuring you have Python installed on your machine. If you haven't installed Python yet, download the latest version from the official Python website. Open your command line interface or terminal. Check your Python installation by typing Python version or Python 3 version. Next, you'll want to install pollers. To do this, type pip install pollers in your terminal. If you are using Jupyter Notebook, you can also install it directly in a notebook cell with the command pip install pollers. Once the installation is complete, open a new Python script or Jupyter Notebook. Import the pollers library by adding import pollers as PL at the beginning of your script. Now, let's create a simple data frame to work with. You can create a data frame by using df equals PL data frame, column 1, 1, 2, 3, column 2, of B, C. To view the data frame, simply print it with print df. Next, let's explore some basic data transformations. To select a specific column, use df.select, column 1. To filter rows based on a condition, you can use df.filter, PL call, column 1, 1. For more advanced transformations, like adding a new column, use df.with_column, PL call, column 1, *2, .alias, new column. To group data, say by column 2, apply df.groupB, column 2, .ag, PL sum, column 1. After making transformations, you can export the data frame to a CSV file using df.write_CSV, output.csv. Finally, run your script and check for the expected output in the terminal or notebook. You have successfully set up pollers for fast data transformations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.